Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Blackforex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDCAD, the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So, before we break down this chart and this Forex pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pockets during troubling times. So with that said, let's go ahead and break down this chart and this Forex pair, starting with the Forex pair first, because we deal with technical analysis last and fundamental analysis first. So let us discuss what's happening with the CAD. Okay, now the CAD did have some very good economic news come out about it during the latter part of our prior trading week, which has pushed it more towards the stronger side. The only thing that's a little sketchy about it is that the CAD and the oil have a relationship with each other, and the oil is not so much weak or strong, it's kind of right there in the middle. So usually oil is what is kind of the deciding factor, which pushes CAD to either strong or weak. But with the news of the economy, with the good economic news, the positive economic news of the CAD economy, the oil prices are not going to really affect it too much. But if oil prices continue to get higher, then we're going to see more of a strengthening of the CAD. Okay, but we have been having some positive news come out about the CAD throughout the latter part of our prior trading week, which has made CAD one of our stronger currencies coming into this trading week thus so far. What can continue this strength for the CAD is if the oil comes out positive, much oil prices continue to go up, and we'll see that in the economic news to the latter part of the week with oil. Okay. Now, the USD, if you guys have been watching our videos for some time, you've been known with the USD, we've discussed the non-traditional relationship the USD has with oil, and it's basically sold off of Economics 101. If more people put money in their gas tank instead of putting money in the stores, then our economy starts to stagnate. So if people are putting less money in the gas tank and more money in the stores, our economy grows. So the price of oil is affecting the CAD. I mean, the price of oil is affecting the USD, being that what is pushing the major part of our country's inflation is the oil prices, okay, and gas prices. And also on top of that, we've been having a lot of more negative news and positive news coming out about this USD, which is making it slow down its trajectory of strength, and it could possibly start to stagnate as well if we continue on this rate of having more negative news and positive news. So we're going to have to watch the USD news closely as we start to get to the mid to latter part of our trading week. Okay, so now that we got the fundamentals out the way, let's discuss what's happening on the chart. So as you can see, we were going down for some time, then we came up, came down, and then came up very, very, very aggressively. Okay, so we're looking like we're going to be due for some retracement. How far can we retrace? We can go as far as here, here, or possibly here before we go back into our long-term, more of our long-term long position. Okay, so any tracement that you're going to have is going to be more so short term to intermediate before it continues into the long term long position. But as this retracement is coming on and we do start to have a drastic changes in our fundamentals, then we will have to start considering this retracement price turnover, especially if the retracement comes in aggressively and the pullbacks to the upside come in very weak with the changeover fundamentals as well. That is all signs of price turnover. But I'm not seeing that right now at this point. Most of what I'm looking at is going to be aggressive to intermediate retracement, which we may drop as far as here, here, or here before we start to continue to go up towards the long side. Okay, so any selling is going to be for the short to intermediate term, and then once the selling is over, we should be looking at more long-term long position buy. Okay. Now, I invite you guys to please like, subscribe, and share our content. Subscribing to our YouTube channel allows you to get notifications and be updated every time we drop new trading content. Also, liking and sharing helps pushes our content out there further in YouTube so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, if you guys want any charts broken down, I'm talking about crypto, stocks, metals, oils, futures, other Forex pairs, anything that you guys want, Please let us know. You can let us know by one of three ways. You can either leave a comment in whatever video that you watch to let us know what chart that you do want broken down, and we will most definitely accommodate you. Or you can reach out to us via our email or through our social medias. All our social media links and our email link is listed in every description of every video. Okay, so please reach out to us and let us know what charts that you guys want broken down so we know how best to better serve you. Okay, with that being said, happy trading.